Welcome to Top Review Lab. The best brew cleaning cups is probably one of the most essential yet overlooked items in maintaining the pristine condition of your coffee maker, ensuring every cup you brew is as fresh and flavorful as the first. And today we're diving deep into why these cleaning cups are a game changer for any coffee enthusiast seeking convenience and superior taste. Number 5. IMPRESA Coffee Machine Descaler. Is your coffee machine not performing like it used to? Our powerful descaling solution is specially formulated to gently restore its optimal performance. This custom-formulated descaler works with virtually all single-use coffee and Nespresso machines. It's compatible with popular brands like Nespresso and DeLonghi, and many more. Regularly remove limescale and mineral deposits to prevent corrosion. This not only extends your machine's lifespan but also significantly enhances the taste of your coffee. Whether you have an automatic, manual, pod, or filter machine, this descaler is suitable for cleaning them all. It even works for kettles and water heaters. Get 2 uses per bottle of this effective descaling solution, proudly made in the USA. For best results, decale your machine every 2 to 3 months. What we like? This descaler is a powerful yet gentle solution for maintaining your coffee machine. It's designed to restore performance and improve the taste of your coffee by removing mineral deposits. If you're looking for a versatile cleaner compatible with almost all single-use coffee and espresso machines, this is a great choice. What people say. The cleaning cups work great and are easy to use. These cleaning cups are very effective at cleaning my coffee maker. I like that these cleaning cups are individually wrapped, making them convenient to store and use. Number 4. Quick and Clean Keurig Cleaning Pods. Keep your Keurig brewer sparkling with our powerful cleaning pods. They are designed to remove stubborn stains and ensure a fresh brew every time. Our pods are compatible with Keurig 2.0 machines, offering a hassle-free cleaning experience. Simply use them like a regular K-cup for a thorough clean. Enjoy peace of mind with our non-toxic and eco-friendly formula. It's safe for your family and gentle on the environment. Say goodbye to coffee stains and residue. These pods effectively break down buildup, restoring your brewer's performance. Experience the true taste of your coffee without any lingering bitterness. Regular cleaning ensures a pure and delicious cup. This 6-pack provides an ample supply for regular maintenance. Keep your machine in top condition with this convenient solution. What we like? These cleaning pods offer a fast and easy way to keep your Keurig machine in top condition. They are non-toxic and eco-friendly, making them a safe choice for your home. If you own a Keurig 2.0 and want a simple, environmentally conscious way to remove stains and maintain brew quality, these pods are ideal. What people say. The cleaning cups are easy to use and effective. They clean the coffee maker thoroughly, removing coffee oils and residue. The product is convenient and saves time on cleaning. Number 3. Ninja 12-Cup Programmable Coffee Brewer. Enjoy your coffee just the way you like it. Choose between classic or rich brew strengths for a perfectly flavorful cup every time. Whether it's your morning cup or a gathering with friends, this brewer handles it all. Brew small or large batches with the 12-cup carafe. Experience the difference of hotter brewing technology. It ensures even saturation and precise temperature control for incredibly flavorful coffee. Don't let a small craving mean diluted flavor. The small batch function guarantees your coffee is never watered down, even when brewing just 1 to 4 cups. Prepare your coffee the night before and wake up to a hot, fresh pot. The 24-hour programmable delay brew has you covered. Your coffee stays fresh and delicious for hours. The adjustable warming plate keeps your brew at the ideal temperature for up to 4 hours. Refilling is a breeze with the convenient 60-ounce removable water reservoir. Simply detach it, fill it at the sink, and place it back. What we like? This coffee brewer offers flexibility with its classic and rich brew styles, ensuring a flavorful cup every time. The programmable delay brew means you can wake up to hot coffee, and the adjustable warming plate keeps it fresh for hours. If you enjoy customizing your brew strength and appreciate the convenience of having coffee ready when you are, this machine is perfect for you. What people say. These cleaning cups are a lifesaver for keeping my coffee maker in top condition. They effectively remove mineral buildup and coffee residue, ensuring a fresh-tasting brew every time. The design is simple and convenient, just pop one in and run a brew cycle. Number 2. AeroPress Original Coffee Press. Meet the brewer that revolutionized single-cup coffee. It uniquely combines 3 brewing methods in one compact, portable device for a faster brew and richer flavor, without bitterness or acidity. Experience the best of French press, pour over, and espresso in one sleek device. You'll get a rich, full-bodied cup in under 2 minutes, free of bitterness and grit, and full of delicious flavor. Our patented air pressure and microfiltration technology speed up extraction. This allows you to enjoy the full spectrum of coffee bean flavor, from subtle tasting notes to the roast and origin. Brewing is simple: add coffee and water, wait 30 seconds, then press for a balanced cup. Cleaning is just as easy: pop out the grounds and rinse. Enjoy full control over your brew time, temperature, and grind size to personalize your coffee. It's compact, lightweight, and shatterproof, perfect for making exceptional coffee anywhere. What we like? This coffee press is incredibly versatile, combining French press, pour over, and espresso styles into one portable device. It brews a rich, full-bodied cup in under 2 minutes without bitterness. If you're a coffee enthusiast who loves to experiment with different brew methods and wants exceptional coffee on the go, this is the ultimate travel companion. What people say. The cleaning cups work great for cleaning my coffee maker. I like that these cups are easy to use and effective. These cleaning cups are a must-have for keeping your coffee maker in good condition. Number 1. Coffee Machine Cleaner Descaler Tablets, 24 count. Is your coffee machine not performing like it used to? Over time, mineral buildup can affect its taste and function. Our tablets are designed to effectively remove these impurities. These powerful descaling tablets penetrate deep to break down stubborn mineral deposits. They work to restore the optimal brewing temperature and flow for a perfect cup every time. Worried about compatibility? These cleaning tabs are designed to work with a wide range of popular coffee machine brands. From Nespresso to Keurig, they've got you covered. Using them is simple. Just follow the instructions for your specific machine, and let the tablets do the hard work. Enjoy a cleaner machine with minimal effort. A clean machine means better tasting coffee. By removing internal residue, these tablets help bring out the true flavor of your favorite coffee beans. Taste the difference. This pack comes with 24 individual cleaning tablets, ensuring you have enough for multiple cleaning cycles. Keep your coffee maker in top condition for longer. What we like? These descaling tablets provide a convenient and effective way to clean a wide range of coffee machines. With 24 tablets per pack, you'll have plenty for regular maintenance. If you own multiple types of coffee makers, including Nespresso, Keurig, or Ninja, and are looking for an easy-to-use, all-in-one solution to decale and clean them, these tabs are a practical choice. What people say. The cleaning cups work great for cleaning my coffee maker. These cleaning cups are very effective at removing coffee oils and mineral buildup from my coffee maker. I like that the cleaning cups are easy to use and don't require any special equipment. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.